Hello guys and welcome back to week 7 of learning a new skill in 6 months, and that skill is programming. This week I did more projects where I learned more on JavaScript and actually got my hands on more deeper projects. I've done 3 projects this week where one of them is one that I have made by myself just by following some rules, but everything else was by myself, plus with some help from ChatGPT, which actually helped me a lot to learn better JavaScript and to actually understand it. So it feels great that this week I was able to make some progress, some good progress. And right now I'm going to show you how those projects look and to show you what I have been able to do this week. So let's get into it. We're back. So right now I'm going to show you the projects that I've been working on this week. And last week we were left at the rock paper scissors game, and for this week I was able to learn the basic string and array methods by building a music player. Let's see how it looks. So you can see it looks more like Spotify, for example, and it has its own playlist with the music and everything. You can play it, you can go to the next one, you can put it on shuffle. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, I'm not going to lie. And with this one I actually have in mind, in plan, maybe in the future, to make it my own playlist with my own music and to just use this instead of just paying for Spotify or for YouTube to just listen to some music when I can do it by myself. But it is a work in progress. Maybe in the future we can make it happen. Let's go now to the single project, to the project that I've done it by myself. So this project was to build a palindrome checker project. So this, you can see the HTML, the CSS and the JavaScript is actually all done by myself. Only with the JavaScript I actually had some help from ChatGPT, which actually helped me to understand actually what I'm writing, like the script. And you can see what if you're asking what a palindrome is, a palindrome is a word or sentence that's spelled the same way both forward and backward, ignoring punctuation, case and spacing. And for example, if I put in here car, you can see car is not a palindrome as it's not the same way around, but race car, for example, is a palindrome because it's race and then it is car. So this one is working for every single word, and it's good that I've done it by myself for this project because I actually was able to learn a lot from it. Let's go to the third project. So the third project was to learn the date object by building a date formatter, and you can see it shows the day, month, year, today's date, and you can see it's the exact day, the month and the year. And this one is it but backwards, is the symbol backwards, year, month and then the day. And here we have month, day, year, hours and minutes. This is, as you can see, how it looks. Yeah, so this is the third project, and now let's go back. Yeah, so those were the projects that I've been working on for week 7 for this week. And with those 3 projects and the projects that I've done by myself, it actually took me a bit some time because with learning JavaScript, I forgot a bit of HTML and CSS. Then I had to get back my hands on it, and yeah, that took a bit some time. But it was good that this week and also this weekend I was able to get my hands on it and finish that project and do another one. Yeah, it actually felt good. I do feel that with those projects, that by doing that project alone, I actually got more out of it than the other projects because I learned better what actually JavaScript does and what those kind of things do, like the words and everything. And also ChatGPT actually helped me a lot, I'm not going to lie. Like, it gave me a lot of the definitions and actually showed me what each and every single one of those does. So yeah, feels like we're going further, that I'm actually learning. So yeah, we're going to see next week what is going to be next, what other projects I'm going to be working on. And I do want to make an actual project in a couple of days, maybe weeks, like a project by myself with HTML, CSS, and Java, all by myself without ChatGPT or any other help. But we'll see that onto the next video. And yeah, that was it for this week. And we'll be seeing you onto the next week. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.